double the quantity, get one. Big that. So you buy one, get one promo, get a CyberShot S5000 camera absolutely free. For every purchase of the CyberShot H90, and you can save as much as 30% off for other CyberShot models. Go ahead, take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime crazy deal from Sony. Visit sony.com.ph for more details. The promo is on only until December 30 of the year for DTI NCR permit number 7669, series of 2012.
I'm sorry, I didn't carry it.
Good morning rush, top 10.
Oh, you see?
Boss Radio RX 93.1. Anne was just showing me that people are saying you're really a good singer na.
She said she has a good singing voice, na? Oh, I improved.
All right, so we have Anne Curtis in the booth. Everybody is just so thrilled that she could join us. And
I'm just working on the epic picture. It'll be up in just a little bit.
Yes, we just took the pic, and later on, Anne, we have a rap for you.
Okay.
We prepared an epic rap off.
Oh,
just for you.
Okay.
I don't know. Well, every time we have a guest, we try to come up with an epic rap off for them.
Okay. Oh, I'm excited.
Yes.
When Vice was here, we made one for him.
Oh.
And then one for Georgina.
Georgina as well.
And then, so for you, we decided it was going to be also kind of special. Are we doing it now?
We're going thug.
Kumbaga, if you showcase your singing prowess, we showcase our rapping prowess also. Because obviously we're so street.
Wait, is it top 10 now or top 10 first?
Yes.
Okay.
Top us
Maybe a
round
quick
off.
one.
Okay, okay, cool.
Okay.
Again, hello to Edmund Santos of Colgate Palmolive, Philippines.
I know, hello.
Who wanted to be here because Anne was here, but he couldn't get off work.
Hello. And also hello to Sir Rudy Villar of SMDC is also tuned in.
Hi, Sir Rudy. Hello.
So it's just insane. Our Twitter is just wala na ako makita.
I have a
Everything's just there.
question, Anne, because you're half Australian, correct? But I've never heard you speak with an Aussie accent. Do you have one?
Yes, when I'm talking to my dad or when I'm in Australia.
Can you, do you ever like let it out when you're in public?
Sometimes, but you know, after being here for so long, I had to learn. I had to learn how to speak with a Americanized accent, or else they wouldn't understand. But on and off, I can switch it on and off.
You can? Sample.
So, kunyari, daddy mo lang si Chichi.
Sakto lang yung sakto lang yung age
Kunyari
peg.
siya yung father mo.
Hi, Dad. How are you?
Hey.
Dad, when are you coming to visit?
Maybe next summer. Maybe next summer.
Yeah, but I just want to tell everyone that's tuned in right now to definitely try the Palmolive Natural Soap. It's definitely one of my favorites. So.
Oh wow.
It's really there.
It's really there.
Only when I need to. Oh, di ba like now?
I know, but you can just switch it on and off. That's crazy.
I could never imagine you Australian.
Well, I grew up there until I was 12, and then I moved to the Philippines.
Was it a very harsh change for you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, in terms of school, in terms of the language barrier, because I didn't know how to speak talaga. Pero I had special Filipino classes in what was. It wasn't even Rockwell before. I was in Colegio de Santa Rosa. So
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I did grade
CSR.
7 there. Yeah, I did grade 7 there. So I had a special Filipino class with 3 other classmates from the States. So dun ako talagang nahasa.
So wait, do you still have like friends from way back? No, back in Australia. Are you still in
Yes, I actually caught up with them when I was there for my sister's graduation. And it's been 10 years since I last saw them.
How do they react when they see you do like your mga chants? You know, and
They haven't seen that. All they see
Really?
is Facebook or they see my Instagram.
they should see that.
Yeah, they haven't seen that yet, but it's so hard kasi to explain the
I know.
concept to them.
So they might think, what are you doing?
Puro craziness, but you know they're actually really proud, and it's also very weird to see them. Some of them have kids already. They're married. And it's like, wow. The last time I saw them, they were grade 6.
Did you know, coming into the Philippines when you were 12, that you were going to get into the entertainment industry? Or
No. It was actually, na-discover ako.
Yun.
Sa may Jollibee sa Bonnie Highway.
For real?
Oh, they just saw you?
So,
Yes, nagpitan ako, and then they asked na if we wanted to do commercial. So that's how it started. And then my dad was medyo parang
iffy about it. Yeah, maybe it's not legit or whatever.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, if he
My
only
mom-
knew.
My mom, of course, is like, no,
Go.
let's do this. We did it behind my dad's back. And then we did VCR, we did VCR and all of that. And then there I got into modeling first. And then I did my first audition, which was for Magic Kingdom in 1997.
You posted that picture on
Yes.
Instagram.
That's crazy.
You were 14?
I was 12.
You were 12, my
Wow,
God.
so you started really early.
Yeah.
Dapat sinuperimpose mo. I mean, side by side. That
Ah.
picture and then you're like America's Next Top Model.
Oh, wow.
Right?
Actually, everyone on Twitter keeps on doing it. They keep on posting, and it's crazy when you find old pictures that I thought I'd never ever see
Again. Right.
It's just like, wow, nakakaloka yung itsura. I mean, before, kasi hindi ako nagpa-pluck ng eyebrows. Hindi uso eh. Very Brooke Shields lang ang araw eh. And then, finally, it's just crazy when you see how long you've been in the industry and
How you
not
evolved
much
with
has
it.
changed naman, but it's just crazy. And you don't really know the person who was at 12 years old.
Yeah.
diba?
Right.
It's just more like playing. And
But you know, people were with you through the 10 years or so that you were building up to this moment that it's hard to go through EDSA or anywhere without seeing your image.
How does that feel like anyway? Like, I mean, I've always wondered na parang, okay, I'm sure you pass through EDSA all the time, and it's like you have X amount of billboards there. How does that feel na parang, oh, look, it's me. Oh, look, it's me again. Haha, it's me.
C5 ba?
Oh.
And you always look different.
Yes,
That's true.
and, that's why at the recent OPAP Awards, I was just so overwhelmed, and I was before I would wish kahit one billboard lang, happy na ako, parang major achievement. And now when I see it, it's just so overwhelming, and it's so humbling to think that 15 years in the industry, and finally, it wasn't it wasn't a fast climb. It was a slowly but surely climb, and that's why all the more I'm really enjoying it and
Right.
cherishing the moment. And it's just crazy, kaka-proud.
To be fair, you don't look stressed.
Huh?
I know.
Kasi,
Considering like you're, we're
Usually when we
at
see
least
the
we're
really
guessing.
like big stars,
Stars,
now,
they're
obviously it's
all, they
understandable
look
kasi
so
They have so much
your
work.
schedule is so
Yeah.
toxic.
Yeah.
Hey, Virgo, you look so... Every time we see you, you look so relaxed.
I'm enjoying it, I think
That's
that's
nice.
the key to it, na you have to love what you do. Yun talaga. I think that's one of the major things. You love what you do, you